Don't be shocked when you see this sentence. It doesn't mean the kid is delicious. Don't worry, I'm not a 广东人. Hello everyone, welcome back to ShuoshuoChinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. Here, I have some questions for you guys. How do you pronounce this word? And how do you pronounce this word? What about this word? You may notice that all of these words have more than one pronunciation. The same character, different pronunciations. We call this kind of characters 多音字. 多 means many. 音 means sound. And 字 as in 汉字, it means character. Character. The meaning is pretty obvious. So in this video, I will talk you through some common Chinese 多音字. Some of them you may be confused about for a long time, and some of them you may already know one pronunciation, but you never know the other one. And there are even some words that you may never realize that this word and this word, they include the same character. I will put those kind of words that will make you shocked at the end of this video. So watch it to the end. Let's start nice and simple with this word. There's actually two ways to pronounce it. Do you know them already? When it means still, also, else, it's pronounced 还有 and also 他还在工作 he's still working. But it is also a verb which means to return, and it's pronounced 还 as in 还钱 return money, or 还书 return the book. So practice with me. 他还没有还我钱。他还没有还我钱。When it pronounced 行, it has two meanings. The first one is okay, no problem. 明天10点对吧？行。And the second meaning is to walk. We don't use this character independently though. We can say 行人 pedestrian, 自行车 a car that can walk on its own, or bicycle. 人行横道 crosswalk. When it's pronounced 行, it means line. For example, 第二段第一行，第二段第一行。Or it can also mean business firm, such as 银行，明天骑自行车去银行啊。Okay, 行。What a random sentence. Of course, you know it is 教 to teach. 我教中文 I teach Chinese. But when it is used as one part of a noun, it should be pronounced 教 fourth tone, such as 教室 classroom, 教授 professor, or 教育 education. 我教中文是因为中文教育很重要。我教中文是因为中文教育很重要。Of course it is 好. Everybody knows that. But do you know another pronunciation of this word? Yes, it is 好, as in 爱好, hobby. So this 好 means to like, to love doing something. Let me give you some example words and you can try to guess their meanings. The first one, 好吃. It's not 好吃 anymore. 好吃. 对了，它的意思是非常喜欢吃。Don't be shocked when you see this sentence. It doesn't mean the kid is delicious. Don't worry, I'm not a 广东人. It should be pronounced 这个孩子太好吃了, which means 这个孩子太喜欢吃东西了. Next word, 好奇, 喜欢奇怪的东西. It means curious. For example, 我对 中国的一切都很好奇。我对中国的一切都很好奇。And what about this word? 好色 like color? Se in Chinese can also mean sexual charms or sexual desire. So 好色 is kind of like lustful or horny. So you can say 那个人一看就很好色。那个人一看就很好色。I wonder how does he look like? 喂喂喂喂 It's so confusing. Don't worry, let me tell you. When it means for or for the purpose of, it's pronounced the fourth tone. 为我为了你什么都可以放弃。我为了你什么都可以放弃。I can give up everything for you. 他为家庭努力工作。他为家庭努力工作。He works hard for his family. Or just simply 为什么 for what or why. But when it means to become or to be, it should be pronounced the second tone. 为 as in this word, 成为 to become. Or 作为老师我要为学生服务。作为老师，我要为学生服务。You probably know this word has two pronunciations, kōng and kōng. But do you know when we use kōng and when we use kōng, the first tone? Let me tell you. If we want to say a space is empty, we say kōng. For example, 这个教室是空的。这个教室是空的。Or 我的心空空的。我的心空空的。When we want to say something is not occupied or not be used, it is pronounced the fourth tone, 空。For example, 那台电脑空着呢，我们可以用。那台电脑空着呢，我们可以用。Or 你什么时候有空？你什么时候有空？ So can you tell me how do you pronounce the character in these words? I will tell you the answer in the comment. I'm wondering if you ever heard of this word before and if you know how to pronounce it. It has two pronunciations. 杯 the first tone and 杯 the fourth tone. When it's pronounced 杯, it only has one meaning, to carry on the back. 他背着一个孩子。他背着一个孩子。背 has many meanings. Here I will tell you three of them. The first one means back. 背. The second meaning is to recite. 我每天都背很多单词。我每天都背很多单词。The third meaning is do something behind somebody's back. For example, 他背着我跟别的女孩约会。他背着我跟别的女孩约会。There was a very famous song in China. How do you pronounce the name of the song? Of course, it is not 为什么你背着我爱别人? It should be 为什么你背着我爱别人？最心爱着情人，却伤害我最深。为什么你背着我爱别人？ Do you know the two different ways to pronounce this character? As a noun, it means sleep. I mean the abstract concept of sleep. For example, I had a good sleep. You can say 我睡了一个好觉。我睡了一个好觉。But Have you ever noticed that this word is also 觉, as in 觉得 or 感觉, which means feeling, sense, awareness. 我觉得他睡觉的样子很帅。我觉得他睡觉的样子很帅。How about this word? I guess you can probably recognize it when it goes with another character. 方便 convenient, or 随便 whatever, or it literally means follow your convenience. But what about this word? 便宜 It can also be pronounced 便. So practice with me. 中国的地铁又方便又便宜。中国的地铁又方便又便宜。Okay, we're gonna end this video with something different. I don't know if you ever seen this word before. It is in the words like 翅膀 wings, 肩膀 shoulder. But do you know it's also 膀 as in the word 膀胱 bladder. For example, 小李的肩膀和膀胱都有问题。Poor 小李. Actually, there are so many 多音字 in Chinese. I bet you also know some other words which are not mentioned in this video. So leave them in comment and share with us. Alright, so these are all the content of today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out the great chance to improve your Chinese. I'm Shuo from 说说中文. I will see you in my next video. 再见。